Today I'm going to show you how to fix your device, SOUNDCORE Liberty 5, when it keeps disconnecting from your phone. I know that you may use your headphones not only with your phone, with your tablet for example, or PC, or laptop, etc. I will cover that in this video. So the first thing that is here is that it's mostly the fault of your earbuds, not your device itself. But to get rid of the suspects, such as a phone or some other devices, go into Bluetooth on your device, just forget your earbuds from your phone, unpair them, and turn off your device. Not restart, turn off. Meantime, you need to do a factory reset of your earbuds. Open the case, hold this button for 10 seconds. You should see the LED light strip flashing rapidly for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now the factory reset is done. Now you can turn on your device and try to pair your earbuds again. If your earbuds still drop connection, the issue is, of course, your headphones mostly, because if the only device that your headphones is dropping connection from is SOUNDCORE Liberty 5, the issue is here. So try to turn your earbuds to 100%. This would help you. It helped me, for example, because sometimes when the battery is low, the dropping connection is common. But if the charging didn't help you, you need to contact device support because your earbuds may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.